After a long wait, finally my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has officially received the One UI 8.5 update. And look at the update size. It's almost 4.5 gigabyte. That means Samsung is bringing some big changes here. If you love Samsung content like this, don't forget to subscribe to Galaxy Station. I am honestly super excited because many Galaxy S26 Ultra style features will be now officially available on my S25 Ultra. One UI 8.5 introduces a redesigned quick panel, better Galaxy AI features, improved photo assist, smarter Bixby with Perplexity integration, better lock screen customization, upgraded Samsung DeX experience, AirDrop-style Quick Share support, and improved call screening. And interestingly, early users' reactions from online are mostly positive. Many users are saying animations feel smoother, app transitions are now faster, quick panel customization is better, and Galaxy AI feels more useful now. But some users are also reporting a few bugs and battery inconsistencies after updating, which is pretty normal for a fresh rollout. And and before updating your phone, before updating your phone, here are a few quick important precautions. Keep at least 50% battery. Use stable Wi-Fi connection. Sorry. Make sure if you have enough storage on your device, and always back up all of your important data just in case. Also remember, right after a major update, battery drain or overheating can happen temporarily while the system optimizing the apps. Okay, uh, the update is downloading and I will be installing it right after that. Honestly, this feels like getting a mini S26 Ultra experience on my S25 Ultra. Once the installation is complete, I will test battery life, camera quality, gaming performance, heating, Galaxy AI, and other One UI 8.5 features. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because the full review is coming very soon on Galaxy Station.